Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna jump right in. Today I'm using the stocking cap method and I'm going in with my Got2b freeze blast spray and spraying it around the perimeter of my head so I can stick my wig cap down to my scalp. Taking my rat tail comb and spreading it generously around my perimeter of my hairline so that it dries faster and it spreads evenly. Now I'm taking my hair dryer and I just turned it on and I'm going to put it on the coolest setting just so that the gel can freeze. And I'm using a pair of scissors and I'm cutting off the wig cap, the excess that I don't need, and making sure I can get the correct shape for my hairline. For this, I would recommend you using a very sharp pair of scissors, but to be very careful because the scissors I was using were really blunt and it made it harder for me to cut off the pieces. Now I'm cutting behind my ear so I can tuck it in, and for this be really careful because I think I almost actually cut off my ear, so be really careful while you're trying to cut off the sideburn pieces. This hair I plucked and bleached myself. I customized the whole thing myself, but it's from Eullair hair and I will leave the description to the hair down below. Now I'm adjusting it on my head to see how I had already cut the lace before and to make sure my wig, my stocking cap, aligns with the hairline of the lace front. I got a hair tie to put my hair back up so it was easier and could be out of my face, and I'm going back in to make sure that my lace is aligned with my stocking cap. Now that I saw that I wasn't, I'm taking my scissors and I'm peeling back the excess stocking cap and cutting it off. I'm going with my Got2b glued gel, the black one, and I'm taking it around the perimeter of the stocking cap just to make sure that everything lays down flat and there are no flyaways, because if there are flyaways from your stocking cap, they will definitely show under the lace of your wig and it will not be cute. And I'm gonna blow dry this with the coolest setting on my blow dryer. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Mahogany, I believe. And it's my foundation. And I'm rubbing it onto the top of my wig cap with my Real Techniques brush, just to make sure that it matches my skin so it actually looks like a bald cap. I feel like this method works for me because it makes my wigs look very, very natural, as if it's growing out of my scalp, and people can't tell the difference. The wig is extra soft, really silky, and I'm going to go in with my powder from MAC, Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm taking my same brush and just touching up the inner lace of the wig so that it can match my scalp. And I found my spoolie in my hair. Now I'm going back in to put on my wig just to see how everything looks and to see if my wig is looking right and how well my lace matches my skin. And she's looking very nice. She's doing a good job. This hair was absolutely gorgeous, and Eullair hair has the best quality hair I've ever seen for really affordable prices. Now I'm going in with the Rukky.g glue gel and I'm rubbing it over my hairline. And for this, I'm going to do 3 layers so that my wig can stay on my head for a long time, at least a very long time. So this is the first layer, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer for about 2 minutes and make sure that the glue is sticky or tacky. And then I'm going to go in with my second layer. I know you guys see that one piece of hair that's like over my eyebrow, but we'll get to her later. This is my last layer of glue. I'm putting on the wig again, and I'm finally about to lay it down for good this time and not take it off again. My rat tail comb, and I'm trying to get the lace to press onto the glue so it can stick, but this piece of hair is in my way and I do not know why. It's better to use your rat tail comb to make sure that it's laid down rather than your fingers, because your fingers do have oil on them, but your rat tail comb, if it's clean, will make sure that the glue touches your scalp and the lace directly and do not have any extra oils that are not needed on them. You know, can't you understand? If you fuck with me, I'll take your man. And I know my hair looks really crazy right now, but like, don't worry about her. Don't worry about her. She's gonna be gorgeous in the end. I look really, really crazy, but it's gonna be all worth it in the end. A little bit more glue so that it's tackier, because I don't think those 3 were enough for the front. And I'm going in with my blow dryer and tapping it down just so my lace stays intact. Now I'm going to take my scarf and tie it down because I want my lace to be flat on my head and not lift at all. And I'm taking out my hair from the ponytail I put it in so I can moisturize her, brush her out, and straighten her. I'm using a Denman brush to detangle the hair and make sure everything is just fine. And I'm using the Argan Oil Moroccan Heat Protector. It's a really good oil. The Cream of Nature Argan Oil Heat Protector. It's a really good oil that moisturizes and nourishes your hair and protects it from heat damage too. Now I'm taking my straightener and I'm just going in and doing some lazy straightening because I wasn't in the mood to part it. And the hair straightens really fast because this is Indian hair, Indian Remy hair, and it's doing the thing. She's doing what she has to do. The hair does not shed as much, only the top because I bleached the knots, and after bleaching the hair gets a little bit weaker at the top of the head. I'm just gonna finish straightening my hair and I will come back later. Straightening most of my hair, I'm taking off my scarf and look at that lace. Look at this wig. She's laid. This is a wig. She is laid. And now I'm brushing out the hair that I straightened and I'm feeling myself because I look so good, and I know I do. And I'm taking my hot comb. It's an electrical hot comb that I bought on Amazon for about $16, and I'm going to straighten the tips of my hair so that there isn't a bump on my head, then straight hair. I kind of burnt myself, but you have to be extremely careful while using this because it gets up to 500 degrees, and we all know how hot that is. And so I'm pulling my hair back and just making sure that it's straight. And you can also use it to straighten the rest of your hair. And oh, she's so cute. Now I'm basically done with my hair, feeling absolutely adorable. Feeling myself, can barely see my lace, but I don't know if you guys can, so I don't know. So now I'm gonna take my Cream of Nature mousse, styling mousse, and put that all over my hair so the top stays flat and there are no flyaways, because we don't like that. and I look gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys being here, and thank you guys for everything. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like, comment, and share this with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye.